I don't understand. It should have been a bullseye.
Oh, Victor, I felt we'd made a real breakthrough with this hunting obsession of yours. I really thought you'd changed.
I'm sorry, Companiola, but I am what I am. There's no nonsense with Victor Quatermain. What you see is what you get.
Sounds like a really big group, this one. Give it some more welly.
Oh, Doctor! Call the doctor!
Maybe I should have used a bigger nozzle.
Ah! Antipesto! You're here!
Your ladies.
My darling! You're safe!
Oh.
My word! What a fabulous job you've done! And not a single one harm.
Ah, the old BV6000, ma'am. Capable of 125 RPM. That's rabbits per minute.
How inspired! Mr.
Oh, Wallace.
Mr. Wallace? Wait, is this all of him?
Oh, just one left. Hoist her up, Gromit.
Stop fooling around in the dirt and have a look at this.